Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Volkswagen Golf. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat so your feet can easily reach the pedals and your hands comfortably grip the steering wheel. Next, set your side and rearview mirrors to ensure clear visibility around the vehicle. Locate the ignition, typically a button or key slot, and prepare to start the engine. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard indicators before moving. Once the engine is running, engage the parking brake and select drive for an automatic or first gear for a manual. Release the parking brake and gently press the accelerator pedal to begin moving. Practice smooth braking by applying gradual pressure to the brake pedal. When turning, use your turn signals well in advance and steer smoothly through the curve. Always maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles, typically 2 to 3 seconds. Now, let's tackle some common maneuvers. For parallel parking, find a space about 1.5 times the length of your Golf. Use your mirrors and, if equipped, the rear-view camera to guide you. Practice three-point turns in a quiet area to get a feel for tight spaces. Always check your surroundings thoroughly before reversing. Remember, patience and practice are key to becoming proficient in these driving skills. To keep your Volkswagen Golf running smoothly, regularly check your tire pressure. It should be around 32 to 35 psi for most models. Adhere to the manufacturer's recommended service intervals for oil changes and inspections. These simple steps will extend your car's lifespan and ensure a safer driving experience. Also, if you're looking to improve your financial literacy, check out the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Drive safely and enjoy your Golf.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.